A couple had been married for 10 years, but they didn't had any child. They stayed with each other and really hoped that they will have a child before their 11th anniversary. Their family and friends were pursuing them to get a divorce, but they didn't want it to get separated because of strong love between them. Months passed. One day, while husband was returning home from work, he saw his wife walking down street with a man. They were looking very happy. After a week again, husband saw his wife with same man again. Husband saw them many times roaming places with each other, hugging each other. One evening, while husband was returning home, he saw that man dropped her off with a goodbye kiss on her cheek. Husband got angry and sad. After a hectic day at work, husband was home. While he was holding a glass jug to get water, phone rang. He received the call. As soon as he picked the call, voice came from other side saying, "Hello dear, I will be coming to your home this evening to see you as I promised, I hope." Husband hung up call before hearing any further. Husband thought to himself, it was a male voice, and I'm sure it's the same person I have seen with my wife many times. He thought he had lost his wife to another man, and thinking that, glass jug fell from his hand and shattered into pieces. Listening to the noise, his wife came running to him and asked, "Is everything okay?" In anger, he pushed his wife. She fell and wasn't moving. Few seconds later, husband realized that she fell on the broken jug pieces and a large piece has pierced her. Husband tried to feel her breath, heartbeat, but there wasn't any. His wife was dead. He saw an envelope in her hand. He took it and read it. He was shocked by what was written in it. It reads, "My loving husband, words can't express how I feel so. I had to write down this letter. I have been seeing a doctor for over a week, and I wanted to be sure before giving you the big news. Doctor has confirmed that I am pregnant. Our baby is due 5 months from now. The doctor I have been seeing is my long lost brother, whom I contacted after our marriage. He promised me to take care of me and the baby and will give us the best care without any fee. He promised to have dinner with us tonight. I had to write to you because I am so happy. Thanks for staying by my side. Your loving wife." Letter fell from his hands. At the same time, he heard the knock on the door. It was the same man he had seen with his wife. He came in and said, "Hello, I am John, your wife's brother." Suddenly, he noticed his sister lying in pool of blood. He rushed her to the hospital where she was confirmed dead. The moral of the story is, we should not be quick to judge other person. In relationships, we should try to talk and clear things. We should not let our anger control us, because Not everything we see or hear is true. Here are the meanings of some of the words from the story. Please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.